today we're going to go over my truck bag, what I keep in it, and why. Okay, one of the things that I keep on the outside is 2 buck saw blades. They're easy to store. I can put it right in the back of the pack, but in the back, to go behind the seat, I need them to be out. But easy to make a buck saw. You have a saw to cut wood if you need it. I'll go ahead and start on the outside. This is a very worn Fisker hatchet. Lightweight, still does a good job, strong. Used it for years. I think that's all on the outside. Let's see. Up in the front pocket, we have a Leatherman tool. With this tool, you have vice grips, knives, files, all kinds of useful tools. Have a brand new sealed Bic lighter, a sharpening stone which can be used on the hatchet and the knives, a magnesium and flint striker. In case the lighters end up failing on us, we have a backup. Okay, we'll go ahead and the main pocket. Now this one is a big boy. This is an Ontario Bowie knife. Big blade, big camp knife. I've had this knife for years. It's done great. Holds an edge. And for me, there's going to be more than just me, so I put 2 ponchos. They can be used for temporary shelter. They can be used for being a poncho. That's all for that pocket. We will move up the front pocket here. Something very important, something to boil water. So I have a little cup with a wire so you can actually hold it over the fire and get it off. And this is just a little Stanley kit. I've done a review on it like, I don't know, 5 years ago. It's been a great little kit. 2 cups. Used it many years. Would recommend it. In addition to the Bic, we have one of these utility lighters. Easy to get things where you cannot get a normal Bic lighter at. Okay. We have a Coleman butane/propane mix. And to match with it, we have a little Peak stovetop from Coleman. Works great, boils water quick. I mean, if you need heat water quick, this is the way to go. Doesn't take up much space, it's light, and you're guaranteed to get a fire with it. And just because fire is a priority, I just threw a Duraflame starter in here. You know, it's a big piece is $2 at the store. Cheap, throw it in there. Use for camping, anything, because this go bag doubles as my camping bag. Minus I would have a few extra essentials. Just some tinder fungus from previous outing. Okay, that is all in this bag. A couple things I do keep in the truck is some fishing stuff, and I keep a tarp and a Gore-Tex jacket. So this would be used in addition to this bag. But one thing I want to mention on this bag real quick, it's a Garrett metal detecting bag. I got it with one of the detectors that I bought a long time ago. But you got this MOLLE strapping, so you can add pockets to it. These side pockets are good for hatchets and water bottles. You also got tie downs to actually compress the pack, which is really nice. And you have plenty of pockets on the inside. But one thing that I really like about this pack, which is very helpful in long trips, is on the back you don't have a waistband, but if you want a waistband, this comes undone. You got a nice thick, was about 1.5 to 2 inch waistband. We're back inside right now, and one of the pieces of gear I think is most important and I wanted to share with you all is something I keep on my body at all times. So in essence, I consider it part of my go bag because it will be a piece of kit I have with me, and that is to protect myself and others around me, and that is my pistol. This one is a Glock 17. Keep full mag. Don't have one in the chamber for the purpose of the video. And I also have a spare mag. So that gives me a decent amount of ammo and a very capable platform in case something did go happen and I would need it. But this is with me at all times. It's part of my bag, I consider, because it's with me. So I would have it. I would have everything I showed you in the go bag and my Gore-Tex jacket, and I would probably grab a little pouch that I have with fishing stuff to take with me if the situation is where it could come in handy. But I hope you all liked the video, and I will see you in the next one.